Okay, so over the Christmas break, I kind of had a little bit of a meltdown. I wanted a new computer because my computer is kind of struggling a little bit, especially when it comes to video creation, hence why I've had to switch more to the phones. And so I ordered basically, you know, a whole new builder computer set, and I'm waiting for it, and it's now 1:40 and still hasn't been delivered on a Friday. So I'm hoping this will actually come super soon, and I'm like a little kid right now waiting for Christmas to arrive. It's gonna be a tough one, but I'm gonna build my first computer in 20 years, I'd say. Let's wait. Come on, Swiss Post, hurry up. Still waiting. Still waiting. Okay, I heard a truck, so I'm gonna go up to the balcony to see if it's my truck or if it's just some random truck. I was told the package is about 30 kilograms. Didn't think computers weighed that much, but no, still not mine. It's a shame. The waiting game continues. All right, I'm hearing trucks outside. I'm hoping this is my computer. Hoping. Let's go check up on the balcony. Upstairs again. Nope, different truck, not my truck. I mean, I've done well so far. I mean, realistically, I've been patient for over a week now, which is a little bit too long for me. So I'm guessing this is kind of like the final stretch, and I'm losing my mind. Come on, where are you? Still waiting. I feel like a crazy patient, rocking back and forth. It doesn't look like my computer's coming today, so we have to order pizza.